In cleaning the bathroom, always make sure that you wear personal protective equipment such as gloves. Spray disinfectant in your cleaning cloth and disinfect the whole area, starting from the sink, to the wall, shower inlet, bathtub. Make sure you have covered all areas of the bathroom. Get a toilet bowl cleaner and pour it inside the toilet bowl. Let it stand for a few minutes. Do not forget to cover the toilet bowl. The next step is to clean the toilet bowl. Get a new cleaning cloth and spray it with disinfectant. Clean the outer part of the toilet bowl, starting from top to bottom. In cleaning the inside of the toilet bowl, use toilet bowl brush. Make sure to clean under the rim. Do not use bare hands in cleaning toilet bowl. Make sure to wipe dry the whole area.